Rule number 40. The accusative case is used to show duration of time and extent of space. This rule seems like it has two parts, but it's really one idea, namely that the accusative case governs distance, both through time and physical space. Space-time, we might say. So let's look at the duration of time part first. The accusative case is used when you need to describe how long an event took place. So, tres horas laborabam, I was working for 3 hours. In the Aeneid, we see Juno complain, tot annos bella gero, I'm waging these wars for so many years. Or this phrase from Caesar, cum triduum iter fecesset, when he had traveled for 3 days. Triduum is a great word for 3 days. It's, in fact, a combination of tres dies. Sometimes we see the preposition per used with the accusative of duration of time, like this one from Catullus, ludi per decem dies, games for 10 days. But most of the time, you'll see the accusative by itself, and the translation of per, through, or for, is inferred, like, well, all those other times you're translating a genitive, dative, or ablative and need to supply a by, of, to, or the like. The accusative of extent of space is a little more peculiar, but this is actually where the duration of time comes from. Only instead of time, we're talking about the physical world. So let's go back to our Caesar phrase, but replace our time word triduum with a unit of spatial measurement, like tria milia passuum, when he had traveled for 3 miles. By the way, milia passuum is technically 1,000 paces, with a pace being 5-ish feet. Oppidum aberat milia passuum octo. The town was 8 miles away. In the Aeneid, we see the Trojan Ilioneus tell Dido that they have been carried by the winds over all the seas. Ventis maria omnia vecti. Maria omnia is our accusative, showing the extent of the space they've covered. The flip side of this is location, both in time and space, which is governed by the ablative case. Truncus ingens litora jacet. The huge body lies on the shore. Or tertia hora ex urbe discessimus. We left the city at the 3rd hour. In both of these sentences, the ablative is showing a point in space or time at which the action took place. And this contrasts with the accusative, which shows for how long something happened, both temporally and spatially. So rule number 40, the last rule on the accusative. The accusative case is used to show duration of time and extent of space.